Alright, how do you play solitaire? Solitaire is pretty simple. You just have to shuffle first, which is what the other video does. Then you deal. So basically that, do this, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you got a 7. So now you got that, you move this over, move that here. You can move this here. So basically, let me see. Can reshuffle this after. So if you got 6, you can use a 5, a red 6, or if you have a black 6, you could use a red 5, and then if you have a red 6, you have a black 5. If you have a black 6, you can have a red 5. Then that would need a black 4, and then that basically continues all the way down. And so now with that, queens, so it's king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, ace. So that's the order it goes in. So basically black goes on red and red goes on black. And you can't mix the two. So there's 9, 7, ace uncovers. This can go over there. And you can only have 7 slots. And when you get one empty, when you get an empty slot, you can basically put a king or queen or whatever. 10, a red 9 will work. Black 9, then red 8. Yeah, that will work. This will go, so black 6 goes in red 7. Red 6 goes right there. There's a black 5. Now I need a shuffle. Is good. Or shuffle. So basically, if you do not watch the previous video, here, we get something. So these, basically, so split it in half. Dang it, throw those cards over there. Split it in half. Now I got these in half. You put your pointer finger right here. How do I just put my middle finger here, my thumb here, and my pointer finger there. And then I do the same for this hand. I do my thumb on the ground first, down, and that's what I do. Basically how to shuffle. I'll do that later. So 7, 6, I still have 7 slots. I call them slots, you can call like, I guess. And it's called your hand, basically. For some reason, I don't know why it's called a hand. There's black 8, this red 7, and black 6. And then there's a red 4, goes there. Black 3. Red 2 right here. Like this. Progress a lot. So now I can move this over here, but that'll be a lot of work. I will show how to make a digital edition, like on an app one, if I actually get a deal on this, but probably not. There's red 3, black 2, red 7. There's a jack, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 empty slots. There's different rules in some editions. You're not able to put jack. Like some rules you can't put the jack down, you can only do king, but I don't really do it like that. There's a queen, there's a king. Now I can move all these over here. No, right here, to the king. And then, so these 7, I would really only do that if there's a king. I won't do it if like, if it's like just an empty slot, I would not move a jack. Because then you'll have to move it around if there's a king. So is it red 10? Black 10. I'm going the red jack. Here's a 9. Goes there. basically would finish is an ace. I would need a there's that. There's that. Here's this. So basically, they're all hidden. And 1 second. I don't think I'm gonna be able to win this because I just looked at the cards and like there's nothing I can do. But basically, this is an ace of spades. If you have spades 2, so like a 2, it's in one of the bottom ones right here, like those 2. Yeah, see it right here. You would be able to win, but without that, you can't win. So that's all I have for the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe because it helps me grow. And if you've not seen Captain Five's channel, please go to his channel because I think he needs it. Have a great day.